I told you I'm trying to get my money right. I just got done reading the Symphony, and here's what I think. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, right, I'm talking about this book from Lynn Richardson called The Symphony. All right, here you go, right there. Boom. Not that big. So easy read. Now, if you've been following my channel on any sort of level lately, you will know that I'm always talking about. I just joined the Entrepreneurs Academy, which is a online platform, a membership that Lynn Richardson actually started and runs. And one of the perks to be an Entrepreneurs Academy member is I get one of her best-selling books, which is called The Symphony, and it's about creating multiple streams of income. It goes over why you should have multiple streams of income and actually tells you how to start making multiple streams of income. So overall, I'm just giving my opinion on the book. If you want to check out the book, obviously it'll be a link in the description. Just look for it. It'll say Symphony book, right? It's only 20 bucks, and it'll come to your house in about a week, all right? So anyway, what do I think about this book? Now, first and foremost, I'm very familiar. I'm a big advocate about multiple streams of income, passive income. That's all I talk about. That's all I try to do. So being in the game for 13 years now with online, marketing, all this stuff, I was interested to see what this book, has to offer, because I feel like I know a decent amount, right? So the book it gives you a foundation, right? First, it gives you the mindset to be like, all right, this is why you need multiple streams of income. And what she lays out is, which is something I talked about before. A lot of times when you get into the whole making money online, being your own boss, you'll hear, all the wealthiest, richest people say you need to have multiple streams of income. And a lot of times the number has always been 7. You should have 7 income streams. Now in this book, one thing that really stood out was that she lays out why you should have 9. You should have 9 income streams, right? You might be thinking that's impossible. What? 9? No. But in my opinion, just getting started with 2 or 3 will be good, and starting 2 or 3 income streams just to start with will be very beneficial to people. You know what I'm saying? New to the game. 2 to 3 income streams will open up your eyes and be like, you can turn 2 or 3 income streams into 4 or 5, and then potentially maybe go up to 9. My goal has always been to have like 7 income streams, guys. Like, it's not, I think people get thrown away when they hear 7 income streams, because I think they associate income streams with the whole 8-hour jobs, right? 8-hour day jobs, 10-hour days. Like, how can I manage 7 income streams? That's 7 income streams. That's 8 hours a day for each. No, it ain't nothing like that, guys. Like, for example, me personally, I have affiliate marketing, right? That's an income stream, right? YouTube, that's an income stream, right? Music, that's an income stream, right? Kindle book sales, that's an income stream, right? Just really got deep into stock investing. All right, so that's 5, right? Now you can add just off the top, which I'm not really doing right now. When I was doing the fitness, that was 6, right? I was teaching fitness classes and still somewhat offer like online coaching just a little bit, but that's 6, right? You could even do other coaching. That's 7, right? So you can see, where you're going with the whole idea of how she talks about trying to get 9 income streams, guys. It is possible. So that really stood out to me. Like, wow, 9. Oh, okay. That makes sense, right? And a lot of these income streams, keep in mind, will be like passive type stuff. So it's not like you're doing 7 or 9 different businesses every day. Keep in mind, like stock investing, that's nothing more than, where your phone at, man? You grab your phone, right? Boom. Grab your phone. You check your stocks for today. Like, oh man, they went up. Oh man, they went down. Okay. That's one income stream that you just checked on. It took 5 seconds, right? So keep that in mind. Another thing that she really emphasizes in this book is to really get your mind right, get in a position to make more money, because that's what having multiple streams of income is all about, right? Bringing in more money. She talks about in the book you need to do 3 must do things, right? One is you need to spend less, right? So she goes over different ways of like how you can in this book she does go over 3 must do things. In this video she shares 3 things that you must do to put yourself in a position to start making more money and creating multiple streams of income. And the 3 things is you need to be able to spend less, right? Bring more in, right? And get your money back. And what she means by get your money back is having these multiple streams of income and basically getting more money back, saving money on your taxes, right? That's like one of her big things, even at the Entrepreneur Academy. One of the reasons why I joined the Entrepreneur Academy, because I'm learning how to get money back every year from having my own home business, right? So she goes over that, in the Symphony, and really just lays out everything that you need to get going. And especially I like it from, if you're a newbie and you're watching this video and you're really on this whole thing of like, yo, I want more. Like, I want to, I'm working a job right now, or I'm laid off because of what's going on now, or whatever. Like, this book will get you on the right path, straight up. It's not a long read at all. You could probably finish it in a day or two, to be dead honest with you. Very good read. Very simple. And one thing I really like about her, just like the second book I read of hers, she talks like how she talks, like on her webinars and everything. She talks just like she talks. So when you read it, it's like you can almost hear her voice if you ever heard her talk before, right? It's very down to earth, very realistic stuff, and stuff that you can do like starting immediately once you read the book, guys. So definitely a must-have if you're trying to get into this whole be your own boss, right? To be honest with you, if you're not into that, then you ain't gonna feel it. But one thing, guys, that she talks about and that I've talked about on my channel is why, right? Why have multiple streams of income? And the main reason is because you won't have to depend on just one. So many people are in a position where, and it's cool, but if you work in you say you got 9 to 5, you working 8 hours a day, cool. But what happens if your job, if they let you go? What happens if you if you decide to quit, if you're having trouble at the job, or you don't want to do it no more and you feeling stuck and trapped? Imagine if you have 4 or 5 other things going on. Maybe you have stocks that you can buy and you can trade or whatever. Maybe you got a Kindle book, right? Maybe you're doing affiliate marketing where you're bringing in a couple $100s a month from this, a couple $100s a month from this, $50 a month from this, right? $1,000 a month from this. This is why you should really consider starting multiple streams of income, because you realize that if one of your incomes go down, or 2, you still have 4 or 5 things going on over here, right? So even if you're watching this video, right, understand that you might be listening to some of my income streams that I'm working on, and you might be thinking, well, I ain't doing none of that. But you don't gotta do none of the stuff I said. Maybe you do nails, right? You could be a nails consultant. You can teach people how to do nails. You can write a book, right, on how to do nails, right? You can actually do people's nails, right? I mean, so on and so on. You could come up with merchandise, come up with t-shirts, right? Come up with different sayings and have your own t-shirt business on the side. You can invest in, in stocks or whatever you want to do, anything like that, guys. You can do freelance work. That's an income stream. You could do freelance work and stuff like that, guys. So it's so many opportunities. I keep saying all the time. You just got to find the one that you feel comfortable doing and go hard with it, guys, because I already told you what I'm doing. Okay. money getting right. All right, money getting right. Just did a video I posted a few days ago about buying stock in Disney. Like, I'm doing it. Take action, right? If you trying to do something, take action. All right. So that's my overall thought on the Symphony. Like I say, I'm not going to read it out loud. If you want to check it out, you can get the actual book yourself. Link below. If you do check this out or have read it, comment below. Let everybody know what you think about it. I appreciate it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, all that good stuff. Till next time. Peace. My mouth dry. Need some water.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.